Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make rice and beans with Nigerian stew or soup. So I decided to try this soup method because this is the usual way my mother makes us. Then I decided to remember home today. So first and foremost, I washed my beans. I used a waloin, but you could use any version of beans that you have. Drum, whatever kind of beans you have, white beans could be used also. Then that one was boiling at high heat. Then I went to, you could use the pressure cooker also to cook it to finish if that is what is available. Then I got my pepper mix, which is the shombo, tatache, tomato and rodo with some onions. So then I popped this in the blender. I blended until smooth. So this depends on you. You could do a rough blender and turn it into a stew, but because I was making a soup, so I made it smooth and I really love the way it came out. So if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, this is a good time to subscribe, like and comment, share with friends and family. So in another pot where the beans was cooking on, I went on to add some oil, vegetable oil. You could use palm oil, and I allowed to fry. Then added some pepper. You can see how smooth my pepper mix is. And I added some rosemary, added some curry powder, I added some spicy tea. You could use thyme, you could use flavors, you could play with flavors, just make sure that they're in the right proportion. Then I added my seasoning powder, I added some seasoning cubes to taste, I added some salt. So if you're a lover of seasons, this is the perfect time to add everything into it. So I allowed to boil them, cover up for about 15 minutes until the whole room started smelling of the aroma. Then I added some basil leaf for some scent and for aroma. Then I added my fried Titus fish. You could use any protein of choice that you have. Don't mind me. I was trying to taste it here one more time. So allowed to boil, and then the rice and beans was looked upon. So it is already done or almost done at this time. I just allowed to dry off for some minutes. Then rice and beans is ready. You can see that it is very simple to make. So at some point I added salt to the beans. The beans was done, as the beans was doing, I added some salt and I added the rice. I forgot to record that part. So I have several videos where I've cooked rice, so don't forget to check that. So rice and beans is ready. You could make this in several proportions. You could make 50%, like 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of beans, or 1 cup of rice. 1 cup of beans, 3 cups of rice, depending on how you prefer your rice and beans. So then I dish it into a plate with the soup added on it with the Titus fish. I bet it with you. If you follow this method back to back, just as I have shown you, you would come back for more. Thank you so much for watching my video. There are other videos where I've done fried rice, jollof rice, Caribbean rice and peas, and I'm on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok as Diaryofacookbook. Thank you for watching.